Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 5008 Allure. This car comes with a great specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, along with mirror link that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've also got dual zone climate control and cruise control with a speed limiter. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. Howard's are happy to tailor your experience with us depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment using our Howard's Click and Collect service or our Howard's Home Delivery, or if you would prefer, we still have the traditional appointments to come in and view and drive a car. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a good day.